Hello guys! This is the new fit, as you can see. I might wear the cookie jar sometimes, who knows, whatever. We're gonna go to wherever Snowstorm is.
I'm back with shorts! Plop, plop, plop. I'm with Thunderbolt VR today.
Yeah, we're both small content creators. I don't know if I'll be able to post a video, but hopefully I will! Bro, I haven't played this game in so damn long. What about me?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Can you subscribe to me? Please, pretty please, I'm begging, please. Just kidding.
Don't listen to him.
You kind of stupid. Join the slug squad? Too bad, I freaking can't. I have no shiny rocks, bro. I'm literally broke. Like, that just makes me want to go. You didn't see anything. By the way, we know each other IRL, so Piggy. Bro, why is this guy calling this cosmetic dumb? Look at this. Dumb.
No, it's not dumb, it's
Look
smart.
at this. He's literally calling him stupid. Like, look. Bite me. Bite me. Bite me.
I've had enough of this business. Tickle your balls.
Especially me. Bite me.
I gotta run. Meow, 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 meow. Wait a minute. Like green screen? I don't know. I'm gonna do the green
farted.
screen thing, you know? Oh yeah, you can do green screen.
Wait. I farted.
Oh no. Ah! Let me talk to your freaking viewers.
Okay, bet.
But that's it. If you do not subscribe, these little grippers here will be going up your booty.
You heard him. Bro, you do know this video is probably going to get demonetized because of that, right? Whatever.
You listen to me? Your house would get burning. Yeah, look at that second. I just grabbed my camera.
I've always wanted this cosmetic, but I'm too... Stop!
Creators, love.
Go.
I'm sorry. I saw your camera, you dumb bitch.
I know, that's why I went there. I just wanted you to see a floating coconut or something, whatever it is.
We're on a special mission, because we're special ed people. We're on a special mission. My headset is at 5%, but we're on a special mission. Kidnapping kids.
Bro, that's it, bro. I'm taking it. Blue bean. I got a blue bean.
Bro, how dare you steal my blue bean? Bro! My backpack got stuck to my camera. Yo, I might have to end the video early because my VR's low. So, yeah, but I'm an adventurer, gang. Like freaking... He's a business critter, bro. That guy's a business critter. Anyway, we gotta go kidnap some more kids. Come on. Hey, kids. You want some free candy? No, they don't want some free candy. Anyway, bye! Smells like me, Mom!